It's the 4th of June. This is the day that I go to Abuja. It's like past 5. It's almost 5:30. And in all honesty, I should have left for the airport by now. My flight is by 7:15. I'll just see you guys when I get to Abuja. It's my birthday today. I'm so excited. I got home yesterday, just took my time out to just enjoy, relax with my family. By the time I realized I did not vlog anything, it was already too late. So I think that refrigerator just came. I'm going downstairs to see her. See my dress. Never come inside, don't worry. Bearing gifts. Okay, so I'm with Fedro, and if you guys see the way Fedro is leaning off, she doesn't want this camera to get her in any way. You're so funny. We are looking for spots for dinner tonight. So I'm having dinner with a group of friends and family, and we're looking for a place. We just want to see if we can reserve a table. The tables all look like they sit 4 people each, but I was told that they can put everything together depending on the amount of people I want to come with. But this is just the first place. We have 2 more places to check out, so we'll see. Will you love or hate? This is Abuja Road for you. Almost so she said I love you. I'm so caught up. You got me feeling caught up. Control, I don't know what to do now. You got second place. This place is called Ivory Room. A restaurant, so they blocked something off here. Surprise! You're so stupid. Oh my god, Stella sent me cake all the way from Lagos. I told Stella I was going to Abuja. Kai God, Stella. Thank you so much. Thank you, Stella. From Jara Cake. How did Jara Cake find a way to deliver the cake? I don't know. No, I'll be serious. I don't know. Oh my god, Moffat. Kai. It's me. I'm the chairperson of this table today. Women support group. So I ordered this, and before I could even take a picture, Fedro carried her spoon. Fedro carried her spoon. Why are you laughing? Uchenna, say hi. Why? Hi. Say hi. Hi. Why you recording? AJ has chicken salad. This chicken salad looks so good. Say hi, please. Hi. Eating calamari. This calamari is so good. What's your favorite? Chicken salad. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. What dance is that? Happy birthday to you. See my cake from Stare. Happy birthday to my baby. Happy birthday to my. I'm literally getting ready to go to the airport. Yesterday was amazing, but I'm leaving today because my parents are leaving Abuja today as well, if that makes any sense. But I'm going to come back to Abuja again. A lot of you were asking me to do a meet and greet here in Abuja, but it wasn't possible this time around. However, I'm going to be back very soon, and when I come back, I'm going to do a meet and greet. I promise. I received so many messages, so many thoughtful, heartfelt, loving, touching messages. It was insane. God, I'm so grateful for you guys. I don't know, it was too much in a good way, you know. Hey guys, I'm on my way to go see my friend at the hospital. She had surgery, so I'm going to see her. My trip to Abuja, it was the shortest thing in this world. I was literally there today, did my birthday, the next day left. That was it. You guys see, I have new sheets. I got them because I felt that they would go with the walls and they actually look good on camera now. At first when I put them this morning, I was like, they look a bit too much. Maybe I need a small throw pillow here, white or yellow, just to break things up. But I actually love the print a lot. That was the reason why I got it. I asked you guys on Twitter yesterday to please help me with where to get like flowers urgently in Lagos, because I don't really know. You just wake up one morning and it dawns on you that you don't really know a lot of things. I don't know where to get flowers. I know of Newton and David and people like that. I feel like you have to order. I think that with them you have to order, and I need them urgently. A lot of you recommended delis, so I'm going to go and see, because you guys said that they sell like ready-made bouquets there. So this is where we're going. Thank you. Bye. Please ignore the situation that I have going on here. I have all kinds of things at the back of this car. I have to buy water on my way back. So this is the flower that I got. I really like this arrangement. These are hyacinths with something else. I'm not sure what the other ones is. Is it just hyacinths? Mama. I'm not really a flower expert like that, but then I like this arrangement. They had an already made one there, and I just told them to make me one of these. So yeah. Guys, can you see my t-shirt? It says Little Miss Social Media. I've had this for like, I bought it in 2015. I just got my invite for the Ocean's 8 premiere. So excited. It came wrapped up and it's quite heavy. I don't know what they put in here, so I'm going to unbox it now so that we will see. Okay. Ooh. So there's a scarf here. I don't know why this, just looking at it, I'm not sure, but this reminds me a lot. Is this even a scarf? This looks a lot like the Diamond Bank logo. Like the colors. Can you guys see? It's like blue, orange, green, red. And it's almost the same thing here. This definitely has something to do with Diamond Bank. Ocean's 8 Film House. There's an eyeshadow from Zaron. There is a lipstick, I believe. There is a setting spray. Ooh. You guys know that I actually love the setting spray, but this one has Ocean's 8 on it. Fancy. Is this a brownie? Yeah, I think it's a brownie. There is some tea here, green tea. There's black soap. So this is liquid black soap. I don't really know my alcohol, so I'm not really sure what this is. I'm not sure if it's wine, beer, what is it? I'll probably send a picture to my sister. She'll tell me what this is. Just finished getting ready. I'm going to go downstairs, vlog my outfit real quick, and then I leave. The lighting in my room is crap as usual. Once it's 6 p.m, once the sun sets, anything you see you take in this house. But Ocean's 8 was nice. It was nice. What I wasn't expecting was the comedy. Like, there was actually a lot of humor in this movie and I just kept on laughing. Oh my god, was this what they delivered? Oh my god. Guys, I'm just gonna sit down and stare at this. I wasn't even expecting this at all. Thank you so much, Bukola. I hit 200k subscribers last night while I was out, and because I was just so all over the place, because I remember when I hit 100k, I was literally at home waiting for it to, like, you know, waiting for my subscriber count to hit 100. Yesterday I was so busy and I couldn't even, like, I didn't catch it. I saw it after it had happened. I'm just so grateful for you guys, like so grateful. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning and I'm on my way to the airport. Like, I'm headed to the airport right now. My boxes, they are packed already. I have a wedding on Saturday and I'm a bridesmaid. This is my first time, like first bridesmaid gig ever in this life. So I'm really excited about it. My flight is by 7 a.m. I just hate these early morning flights that I'm just like all over the place for. But yeah, I'm on my way to Enugu now. What's wrong with you? They're going back to school. It's Saturday the 23rd. I'm in my old room. I'm actually getting ready to go join the bridesmaids at the hotel. A couple of things have changed. The bed is no longer the same. If you've been following me for a long time, you know that this is like literally the position that I'd film my YouTube videos from most of 2014. I just took yesterday out, like, because when I got here, my siblings were about to go back to school, and I just dropped my camera. We started talking, you know, chit-chatting. Like, God, I miss my family so much. You can get too much sometimes just living in Lagos and being without them, but I was happy that I was able to catch my siblings before they left, because they are both in boarding school. So I was with them for a while. I had to go mend my dress, my bridesmaid dress. It was a little bit big, so I had to go to a tailor yesterday evening to take it in, and I just spent the rest of it sleeping, because I barely slept yesterday. So I spent the rest of the day just sleeping.
I give my baby assurance, I give my baby lifetime insurance, lifetime insurance. I'm looking for a sister, Chama, my lover. She
Where? She looks so beautiful. The tiara just goes so well with the dress. Oh. This shade of blue is so gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys the free frame. We're going to start heading to the church very soon. Amen. Aww. Shift. They are some to please. Life of a vlog. I am looking for this. Hey, Shama, my lover.
For 14 years, because I've attended the school of marriage.
Guys, hopefully you guys can see me. I just got into Lagos now. We landed about 30 minutes ago, and I'm on my way home now. I'm in the cab. I don't know, I just feel like this is really me living my adult life. I just keep going to places that I really want to spend time in, but then I can't spend time because I have to come back to Lagos for work. I plan to like kind of proper vlog landing in Lagos. I don't know, get home, settle down, vlog again, but like right now I'm just really tired, and the tiredness is not the type you get with physical, like after serious physical activities. The type that just comes with like it's just emotional stress. Today has just been really difficult for a lot of us here in Nigeria. There's been so much like death. Fulani headsmen, they struck again. went to a village or a couple of villages in Plateau, killed a lot of people. As of this morning, the reports were really like not clear. I was seeing 186 different numbers, but I've seen 86 enough to think now that it's actually 86 people that they killed. I don't understand why the government doesn't want to do anything about these people. It's really frustrating at this point. If they can call Boko Haram terrorists because they go around blowing markets up and then killing people, these people are also terrorists, and they always target Christians. These people, they go to villages that are predominantly Christian and they kill people. I don't understand how we've gotten to this point where cows become more important than human life and nobody's doing anything. This herdsmen killing, they are so normal now that nobody even comes out to say anything to the general public after they happen. It's the most frustrating thing ever. And you see pictures of these dead people, there's no way that it's not going to leave you feeling messed up. And then the Banch lost his child yesterday. I actually didn't know when this happened. I woke up this morning and I saw it. If you don't know who Dimma is a popular Nigerian artist. He's really big, and the reason why this hurt me so much because I remember this child's birthday. His birthday was like 2 weeks or a week before mine, so I remember seeing pictures of the party that they had done for him all over social media, and then this morning he's dead. It was so painful because I can't imagine what they are going through. At first it was sadness and like, you know, just like, you know, me feeling really sad, and then from that it became anger, because when I first saw this on Twitter, people were complaining about Instablog. At first, the first thing I saw on Twitter when I woke up this morning was people complaining about Instablog, and I didn't really know why they were complaining about Instablog. And then I started seeing people saying that people were leaving stupid comments on there. Some of the things that people said other people were saying were so unbelievable. I was like, no, there's no way that any sensible person will go on Instablog and leave this type of comments. I went on Instablog and I checked for myself, and I read the first 10 comments and I just left there so angry. People are so insensitive, so tactless, so judgmental. How is your first reaction to a boy's death like judging the parents? They are grieving. No matter how angry you are or how pained or whatever you are, you can never compare it to what this boy's parents are feeling. The mother that carried this child for 9 months in her belly, and she had to take this child to the mortuary to go drop his body. You think she's not in pain? You think that your pain is bigger than her pain? I even saw one woman who told the band to make sure that he sues his wife for negligence. They're telling him to sue his wife. I'm going to go home and try to edit this video and not go on social media at all, so that I don't get more angry, because I'm going to end this vlog here, in all honesty. Today has just been too much. Empathy is really important though, because emotional intelligence is something a lot of people just lack. I've come to the conclusion in this country. You can't be so insensitive. You can't be this insensitive. It doesn't even make any sense. So guys, like, I don't want to get more upset right now. Just say a prayer for the people who are grieving. If you can, just say a prayer. I hope that God strengthens them and sees them through this unimaginable thing that they are going through.